guys, welcome to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, today I got something pretty cool. This is the original Bugs3. So I wanted to go and do this review. Hobby Wow sent this over to me to take a look at. This one actually came with the 4K camera. I'm going to do some video in 1080 and in 720p at 120 frames per second. So I'm going to show you what the camera is capable on and off the drone. So it actually came with a waterproof case, so I'm gonna go and show you what the camera could do underwater as well, guys. So for right now, we're gonna go to a flight, and if you want to stick around at the end, I'll show you what came in the box, guys. So all right, let's go for a flight. All right, guys, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and I just turn on the camera. Let me make sure this canopy snapped down. I turn on the camera right here. It's set on 1080p, 30 frames per second. I only got about 1 gigabyte of memory right now because I just used one of my other memory cards. You just hold this button down and it'll turn it on. It'll give you a welcome screen, and then all you got to do is just press the button up here and it'll start recording. So I'm going to go ahead and start the recording. There it goes. Let's turn on the controller, plug this thing in. Alright, guys, there we go. We should be all linked together, and if it isn't linked together, all you do is hold this red button and then turn on the controller, and then it will bind with the quadcopter. Alright, guys, we've got different rates here. There's 2 rates. So here's the rate button, then you got flips over here. So I got the camera recording, so I'm ready to go. Let's get this thing up in the air, guys. I'm putting it on second rate right now. Alright, here we go. One press, arms the motors on. We have liftoff. A bit of wind, but not much. See a little view over here. Yeah, it's still got plenty of power when you got a camera on there. It's been a while since I used a camera on one of these because it's really sporty without a camera and the landing gear on there. So, alright, guys, let's go and do a little fly around. See how sporty it is with the camera on here. See, they bank really good. Like I said, this is second rate right here. A little heavier with the camera, so you want to kind of do your bank early because it's going to drift a little, having that extra weight on there. Like I said, I like to go and fly these without the camera and those bottom landing gear. So, and the FPV camera is just awesome when you mount one of those in. Pretty awesome, guys. And to shut this thing off, you just press this and hold the red button and it'll shut it down, guys. So I just wanted to show you a flight there for a quick second, just a couple loops, and then I'm gonna go and do the film from the camera itself, guys. So enjoy. Alright guys, hey, I took the landing gear off of this thing. I put my aftermarket battery there. It's 3,000 milliamps, so it's going to have a little bit more punch than the stock battery, but I wanted to show you guys that I'm filming actually from the camera that it came with. It's on 1080p at 30 frames per second, so let's take this thing for a flight. There we go. I'll put it in second rate. Yep, it's a lot more sportier without the landing gear and camera. Pretty windy today too, so I put that little bit bigger battery in there, cut through this wind. Got about 8-mile-an-hour gusts coming through, so let's check out the punch out on this thing. Not too bad. Alright guys, hey, thanks for sticking around for the unboxing. I just wanted to show you what came in the box. I already put the landing gear on, and I went ahead and put on the camera holder here and the propellers. So you do have your battery that it comes with, which is 7.4 volt, 1800 milliamps. It's a 25C battery, and of course your controller. It takes 4 AA's. Alright, and then here's the box. And by the way, we are shooting this video and through the camera that it came with, the 4K camera. So just wanted to show you guys what the camera is capable of, other than just being on the drone. So let me open this up. So the only thing that is missing is the manual. So the manual wasn't in here, which is fine because I already have a Bugs3. So this is all the other accessories it comes with. It comes with the prop guards. So you got 4 of those. You got an extra cover just in case this one leaks for the waterproof casing, which is really nice, guys. So waterproof casing here, extra cover. Got all kinds of different accessories for mounting it up on tripods for the camera, USB charger for the phone, and then you got some other mounts for this one's a clip mount. Actually, this one's for like putting it on, I believe, one of these other clips here. So, and then also the charger that it came with. The charger is actually, what do I do with that charger? This one is for the USB charger here, and then the actual battery charger, I believe, guys, I must have left it up at the house, but it's a 2S battery charger, and mine came with the European, with the USA plug. So if you're outside the United States, it does have the European plug here, guys. You got 4 extra props, and then just some more other little accessories here to put on handlebars for the camera. So they threw a bunch of goodies in there. It looks like a bunch of straps, so I guess so you can probably mount the camera on something else, guys. So so they threw a lot of little knickknacks in here. So, but that's pretty much it, guys. Other than the manual missing, this is what you're getting right here. So you know, this camera works really well. So you know, if you want to go and have some fun, take the landing gear off. You still have these little landing gear here to land on. take the camera mount off, and it's actually way faster, guys. And like I said, I'll leave some links down in the description for some modifications I've done where you can mount 5.8 MJX camera. It's the 5830, so I'll leave a link for that. And Hobby Wow, I thank you guys so much for sending this out. And guys, if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe. I sure appreciate it. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.